Stop letting other people's opinion run your life. Fear of judgment is a shortcut, not the truth. It keeps you small, cautious, and invisible. First of all, separate facts from judgment. Someone saying that won't work is not a verdict on your worth. It's their perspective shaped by their history, their fears, and limits. Treat it as data, not destiny. Second, test the boundary. Do one small thing that scares you because it's true to you. Speak up once, wear what you like, start that project, observe real consequences. Most of the time, the fallout is minimal, the growth is not. Third, filter the feedback. Listen to the critics who understand the context and share your goals. Ignore noise that's reactive, jealous away. Respectful disagreement can be useful. Blank condemnation is not. Fourth, anchor in values, not applause. Decide what matters: integrity, curiosity, family, craft, and measure action against that. Approval will fluctuate, values will not. Fifth, cultivate self compassion. When you make mistakes, evaluate them objectively and move on. Self acceptance is not arrogance, it's clear minded resilience. Finally, commit to consistency. Authenticity is a practice, not an announcement. The more you act from your truth, the less other people's judgments sway you. You will not please everyone. You will, however, become someone's reliable, clear, and free. Start today. Accept who you are and watch everything else getting changed. Make your healing work with you. Heal yourself. Heal everything around you. Because once you start to matter for your own self, everything around you will change. Most important thing is just observe and then react. And rather, reaction is also not the solution. You need to analyze and then, wherever important, just behave according to the situation, give your opinion, or work as per the situation demands. Because ultimately, the thing that matters to you is your own self worth, your own identity, your value for your words, and ultimately the love towards you. Start healing yourself, start taking small steps. Baby steps are important, small steps are important, but taken with consistency, care, and due diligence is actually what is required. So, if you've understood and if you've taken all the nuggets from my videos, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Healing Spirit. And don't forget to comment course in the comment box below to know about the courses which I teach, and about the cost and all. Don't forget to heal yourself from within. Stop taking negative things. Just stay calm, stay focused, stay healed always. Happy healing. We'll meet you in my next video. Until then, please take care. Happy healing. Bye bye.